Make a great choice today with the 2022 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.